Okay, I'm starting off with an apology. I am sorry. In my last video that I did of uploading like a pro, I realized that I didn't show all the steps. Now, I did give you guys some really good tips on how to upload. However, I realized that I didn't do this step by step as promised. So today, I'm definitely going to do that. This is going to be pretty much raw footage, so enjoy. Now, I literally just finished recording this self-love meditation video, and I'm going to do the step that I always do. So I go here. I use CapCut to edit all my videos. It really is user friendly. I will do a video more in depth on that later. So I do modify, and this is where I'm going to rename my file name. So it is a guided meditation for self-love. Guided meditation for self-love. I'm going to save that, and you see up here it is saved. So now I'm going to export it. This is all the video information. This is how I export my videos. So we hit export and we wait till it's done. All right, the next step is I jump into my YouTube. I go up here to create, upload, then it'll take me to the screen. I go and look for my file. So it's this one, guided meditation, and wait for that to upload. Now here you see that I have the title already, Guided Meditation for Self-Love, self-explanatory, easy, and it did give me an 82 score. That is vidIQ. So if you guys want vidIQ, I'll put the link for that in the description too. They do have like a free service. I'm actually using the free service now, which it works pretty well. Then we go to description. Like I said in the video, the description is key. So I always go to ChatGPT. So the prompt that I use is, please write and engage in SEO driven description for a YouTube video on a guided meditation for self-love. Please include keywords like self-love, healing journey, and any other related keywords. Add searchable hashtags as well. I'm going to hit enter, and now it's going to come up with something for me. Usually for my descriptions, ChatGPT is really good and I don't ever have to change it. But if you do, you would just hit this and it'll remake a new one. Or you can just write on there what else you want to change. Let's go through it. Guided meditation for self-love, deep healing, inner peace. Welcome to this powerful meditation, a journey to embrace. I actually already like skimming through it. I love it. Perfect for meditation. I'm gonna put all this in there. So what you do is you just copy it. I go back to my description and I paste it. And there you go. There's my description. I also like to add all my like contact me, my storefront stuff and things like that on there. So I will go to like another video of mine if I want to reuse it. There is a button on here that you can do to reuse information, but I don't want to use that description of the other video. So, because I already have one, I'm just doing this, putting that. Oh, and if you notice too, sorry, I forgot this part, vidIQ gives you other suggestions and it'll give you the score of what they think. Self-love on steroids, whatever. But I'm just keeping this one really short and sweet. Guided meditation for self-love. So after I'm done with my description, I scroll down and I go to my thumbnail. Now, as I mentioned before, you can upload the file, you can auto-generate, or you can test your thumbnail. But I already have one that I really like that I made, so I'm just going to upload my thumbnail, which matches my meditation video. That is done. I'm going to add it to a playlist, which I have my guided meditations. So I'm adding it there. Now, this part says if it's made for kids or if not. So if this is like a video with kids opening, like unboxing stuff, anything with kids in it, then yes, it is made for kids. But this one is a self-love meditation. I mean, kids can watch it, but it's not really meant for kids. It's actually meant for adults, young adults. So I'm just going to put no. I go next. I don't have any paid promotions on here. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say something else. So it's kind of like an AI type of thing, and I don't. So no. You can allow chapters, but this. So here I am putting tags. These are the tags that you're going to put kind of like the ones in the description. So you can kind of you can add these again. Anything that's related to my videos. So it is about self-love. So try to use as many characters as you can. For right now, I'm just going to use that. I usually skip over this. Now here's another part. The publish to subscriber feed and notify subscribers. I am on a new journey on my YouTube channel. I started off with just doing like a family channel, a get to know me vlogs, and then I transferred to doing Amazon videos, which most of my subscribers on here are for Amazon. But like I said before, there's only so much you can do. And I was kind of having like creator's block and not knowing how to recreate Amazon videos. So I wanted to show you guys the other things that I'm interested in, and clearly meditation is one of them. So for that, I'm not going to check to publish to my subscribers because my subscribers aren't, not that they don't want to meditate, but a lot of them aren't on my channel for that. So I want this to push out to new people that are out there that can potentially subscribe. So that's what I'm going to do. Not that my subscribers won't see it, because they can. They just would have to go onto my channel and look. So fair warning, your views will probably won't be as high in the beginning because YouTube is trying to know the content that you're pushing out. So it's okay. It's a marathon, not a race. You will get the views. I promise. Okay, so I'm gonna uncheck that. Allowed. I always allow that. This education, I always put how to. This is my, it's like how to meditate. So I'm gonna add that. You can add a description, but I just keep it moving. This, none, I leave that. And then I go to next. Now, this is when you're monetized. So I do want to monetize off of this. But because it is not, because this video is not longer than 8 minutes long, that's only when you can add extra ads onto your video. But either way, even if it was longer than 8 minutes long, I wouldn't put extra ads on here because you're meditating and I don't want that to interrupt your meditation. So you're welcome. So I have them on, and then you make sure that if you have any of this, then you have to let them know. But I don't. I never do. Like inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking, da da da. I don't have that. So I put none. Then you have to submit your rating. This is good. Then I go to next. You can add music from YouTube Studios on here, but I already have my own music. Add an end screen. I always do this because then my subscribers can see another video and they may want to watch it. So I'm going to put that on there. So I add. The two that I always add is a playlist and a video for next. So I like to add it maybe like 7 to 10 seconds before the video ends. I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to move it over there. Okay. So it'll come on the 7-second mark. So the next one, this is best viewer, but I like to choose. So choose my specific video. I am going to choose this one, which is set the tone for your day. Another meditation video. Then we go to playlist, and I'm going to choose my meditation playlist. So you guys can go on there. That's done. I hit save. Let's say you're mentioning another video within your video. You can add a card so they can click on that. But I'm not mentioning any other videos, so I'm just going to hit next. They did their checks to see, because I have added music from CapCut. YouTube needed to see if there is any copyright. Thankfully in CapCut, it does have like a feature that you can check to see if there is any copyright. So I did that and it's good. So I hit next. Now here, you're going to select if you want it private, unlisted, members only, public. I am going to schedule it. I like to schedule my videos in advance because I've heard, I don't know how true it is, that when you schedule it and have it on here for maybe about a few hours to 24 hours, YouTube has a chance to kind of see what your video is about and know who to push it out to before it goes public. And honestly, I like to do that too because I batch create and it makes my life easier. So I don't have to be like, oh, it's 12 o'clock. I have to put it out. So make your life easier. I'm going to schedule it for today because this is my Monday meditations. And I'm going to put it for 12 o'clock. Video schedule. Your video will be set to public on February 3rd at 12 o'clock. And that is it. Again, I am sorry for not going through the step-by-step, but that video, which I am going to plug it in so you can watch it, does have a lot of good tips on it. So go ahead and follow those tips as well. Please drop a sunflower in the comments if this video was helpful for you. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.